Now here's a quick wee video just showing you vertical translation, or essentially moving this graph up the y-axis. So what we've got is, if I choose a colour, if I imagine we had it says y equals sine x, and then we have plus 4. So that means obviously this blue one represents y equals sine x, so it starts at 0. That basically plus 4 just means it starts at 4. Okay, now it follows the exact same shape as the sine x, so that will mean but 90 it actually reaches 5 because it's still got an amplitude of 1. I'll then cross back at 4 at 180, and then it'll reach an amplitude of 3, okay, and then I'll go back to 4 at 360. Okay, so again, it's just still got an amplitude of 1, right? So it goes plus 1 to reach the maximum, minus 1 to reach the peak. So if you then draw and join up these parts, you'll find it takes the exact same shape, right? But this is, and just think of that as being a straight line there, so it's an equivalent of just grabbing this and just shifting it up 4 parts, okay? Just to make sure that you're understanding it. If I said, well, say it was y equals, and it's the exact same with the cos function as well, minus 2. So this thing's going to start at minus 2. It's going to go up to minus 1, reaching its peak. I'll then at 180 go back to minus 2. I'll then reach the smallest amount, 270, or the trough, and then I'll go back. And then if I draw this, it's obviously going to start going over the numbers. That's y equals sine x minus 2. And we'll just do another one. So we'll just say, what about y equals sine x minus 4? So again, it's actually going to cut through. So essentially, that just is where it cuts through this y-axis. It cuts at position 4 when it's sine x. It cuts through at the origin, right here. But this number and the sign in front of it just really tells you where it's cutting through in relation to the y-axis. So it's just like when you did straight line graph. So if I was going to, it cuts through at this point, and then it's an amplitude at 1, so it reaches its peak at 90, it reaches back down to 4 at 180, reaches the lowest point at 270, and then it goes back to 4, and again. Okay, so that's that graph. So hopefully that's just visualising it helps you a wee bit better.